Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the Trade of the Day. This is from the GrokGrad Day Trading Chat Room, which you can join for free for 6 weeks if you want. More about that at the end of the video. So, first of all, it was on NIO this morning. Here was a setup. It opened up very much down this morning, and then it was high basing here after opening, and then it ran up here, and it was high basing again. So I set up a trade to go long just above here. And I set the trade, let the market come to me. That's when the odds would be in my favor if it broke that level right there. So let's see what happened next. Boom, look at that. It popped up here, and I got in at 1422 on now long here on NIO. And my stop was 1% stop, automatically set here at 1408. And then it proceeded to go up here over the next 3 minutes. These are 1 minute candles, by the way. And so I went ahead and I pulled my stop here to break even. And then it started to high base here at this 1445 area. Pulled my stop in the money here to 1432, just under where it had dipped down right here and below the 8 EMA. So I'm in the money here. But I see this is another opportunity to get in because I have how much risk left in this trade? Zero, because the risk in your trade is the difference between your stop and your entry. I'm now in the money on my stop, so I went ahead and I put up another lot size here, and there's another high base here. If it breaks out above this area here, I want to be in. So let's see what happened after that. Boom, I'm in here, right here at, I'm in at 1446 for my second lot size, and then it just kind of sat here for a little bit of while. And then what happened here is I moved my stop up. I combined my stops in so that they were the same, and now I'm in here at 1336 area, so I'm about almost 1% in the money here on my original trade, and I'm about a minus 1% risk on the second half. So right now I'm break even here on this double lot trade. And let's see what happened next. It's going across. It's going across. It's going across here. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to I was going to leave, and I was going to get myself some refreshment iced tea refill there, and so I pulled it on up here at just under this 1440 at 1439, which is below the 20 moving average here as a possible line of support, and at 1440 as it's just basing up here. So I did leave. And of course, a couple of minutes after I left, came down here and bam, stopped me out there right just after I left. And these are 1 minute candles. And I was out both lot sizes at 1439. So for the first half, I was out for a plus 0.2%. And for the second lot size, I was at minus 0.5. So it was a net trade for these two lot size was 0.7%. in about 23 minutes. Now, again, why did I take on a second lot here? Well, the markets were going up at the time, and actually going sideways at the time, but there'd been a lot of positive pressure here, and I was given an opportunity to, add to my trade, add to a winning trade, and it just did not end up not working out to my benefit. But hey, I had the opportunity to make some real money. But hey, it was also net on the day. So if you want to learn to trade the Grok Trade way, you can go to our mentoring program, which we have 3 days of intense training, and then we are your mentors from that point forward. You take that new knowledge that you've gotten and apply it to your trading. We call that wisdom. Wisdom is knowledge rightfully applied, because you can know everything there is to know about the market. You can read the 10,000 books that are out there about it and look at all the videos about it. But if you don't know how to apply it to your trading, it's useless. We're going to do an intense training so you have the knowledge, but then we are going to be there to help you apply it to your trading from that point forward. That's what our mentoring program is about. You can go to groktrade.com. It's groktrade.com, and go up here. It says Training Mentor. And here you can go through a little program that Des has come up with. It's really, really clever. All it does is a series of videos, and they're 2-minute video, and then it asks you a question at the end, and depending on what your answer is as to which video you see next. So you're going in this matrix of videos, you're only going to see the ones that are going to interest you as a trader. So it might ask you, are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? And then depending on your answer, go to the next thing, so each time it will do that. So you get the answers to your questions, not just a whole potpourri of things. It saves you a lot of time. So you can do that, and then you can set up a call with us and see if our training might be appropriate for you, and our ongoing mentoring after that. So that's there. Now, if you want to at least try out what day trading is, if you've always wanted to do that, if you can be in front of the markets between, say, 9 o'clock and 10:30 Eastern time, so you have to be live in front of the markets available then, you can go to our GrokGrad, right here, it says GrokGrad trading room right there, and you can read about what it is, and each morning we trade together, and you can sign up here, 6-week free trial, and see if you like to do the day trading. And I'm in there coaching people and mentoring people. I'm not leading the room like I did for 10 years. I'm more pulled back to more coaching and mentoring, because these are Grok graduates, those have been through our mentoring program. But then other people are in there trying it out all the time. But I do a lot of training while I'm doing it. So you can learn a lot there in that 6 weeks. Again, if you can be in front of the markets. Now, a lot of people on the West Coast do it because they can do it before they have to leave for their job, and then there's those who this is their job, and so they're in there for about 2 hours every day. So welcome to join us there. So those are 2 opportunities for you to get some knowledge, and then also the opportunity to learn how to apply knowledge to your trading. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that if you think you can, or if you think you can't, either way, you're right. Trade well, and may your winners run.